Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And today we just wanted to come say thank you all for all the encouragement and upliftment you guys gave me this morning. I'm telling you, it made my day. But we also want to come let you know who won the watch face for the X-Frame watch face, which I think is awesome, has an awesome look to it. And we're going to name off those names in a few minutes. But listen, first of all, I just want to let you all know that I really appreciate everything that you've done for the channel, everything that you've done for me. I really need to hear what you had to say this morning and to know that you got my back no matter what, and that you're going to continue to stay loyal in spite of the time that I may not have been able to do videos. I really appreciate that. As you can see, the blue screen of death, my computer is no longer useful to me. So we were able to make it work with a video editor on a mobile device. Didn't know if we can do that or not. Again, thank you all for the encouragement. So we were able to make it work. We bought two of them. The first one didn't work. I ended up getting another one. Paid quite a bit of money for that one. But listen, it's very important for me to continue to shoot out these videos to you all. So listen, it was worth the price. And listen, I don't know the ins and outs of it yet. You got to give me time to work with that. As you can see, we got some different transitions, but I still have a ways to go as to learning the ins and outs of this software editor for a mobile device. But other than that, we're still able to shoot out these videos, which I'm happy about. And I'm quite sure a lot of you all are happy about it too as well. So again, I just really wanted to say thank you guys. Thank you all for having my back. And thank you there for being there in my moment of need. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's name off the winners of the Gear 3 watch face, the X-Frame. All right. A couple of names I don't know how to pronounce, but then I'm going to spell them out for the ones that I don't know how, right? Now, the first winner is going to be Chris Bartlett. The second winner is going to be David. His last name is spelled Pirovolos. The third winner is going to be Michael Fortier, if I pronounce that right. And then you got Sean Roberts, and also you got Kryptonia. Congratulations, you guys. Everybody congratulate the winners. Listen, if your name wasn't called, trust me, it's going to get called. I got 10 more watch faces to give away on this channel. All you simply have to do is comment, and you have an opportunity to have your name called as being a winner. So look out for that video. Of course, we have to do the video for the watch face of the week and another video that we're going to shoot out tomorrow. So with that, we're going to make this a short video. I just wanted to thank you all for all that you do for me and for the channel. And my subscribers are the best. Thank you all. Now, before I go, I got to say a special hello to a friend who wanted me to wear this hat. At least that's the way I took it, right? So this one is for you, all right? All right, you all. Again, as I said, I really appreciate you all. Continue to comment. Continue to do what you do. Enjoy the rest of your night, and I'll see you all at the next one. Peace.